Hello and welcome to another update video on MSTR Strategy Inc. We are still tracking here a three-wave move to the downside from the all-time high in 2024. In previous updates, we talked extensively about this structure, so I want to dive into the microstructures here, and I guess that's what most of you are interested in. Please note that I'm not overall bearish at the moment, but I also don't think that the low has formed already. Maybe a local low, yeah. In this move to the downside, we're tracking an ABC structure in the white scenario. The low could really only be in if we have some kind of a more complex correction forming here. Double bottom structures rarely hold, but it was an obvious area to watch for a bounce. We talked many times about structural support there in the region between $225 to $230 because this is obviously where the February low is located. We've got the March low and the April low all in one place. So we have a possible ABC structure to the downside there, and the C wave down it looks incomplete. It looks like we might need another wave 4 bounce and a wave 5 to the downside. That gives us a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 structure, and it would point towards $191 as ideal target, because this is just an ideal target for a C wave. Okay, so this is what we are tracking at the moment. If we go to the 1 hour time frame and look at the nano structures, then we can see that in wave C of 3 to the downside, we might have formed a low. It's still very early days, and it's crazy how volatile this chart is. I mean, the resistance area for a wave 4 bounce, I gotta zoom out a bit, is between $280 and $326. It's entirely possible this bounce has started in wave 4, but I have to say the move up, it remains, well, I don't want to say weak, because it was quite a pump from around $219 to $251 in this A wave to the upside. Possibly now we have a B wave pullback, and we could get a C wave rally from here. Yeah. Again, when you watch the video, maybe things have already changed a little bit. I mean, that's the downside with these videos. If you want to get live updates, feel free to join our crypto membership, where you can get a lot of updates basically live, and you have access to our live charts as well. But this is what I see right now. We have a possible micro 5-wave move up. There was a break above this first trend line. We could not retest the trend line. That's fine though, because micro support for a B wave pullback, which would be the B wave in a wave 4 correction, could be wave B of A of 4, in case this probably will turn into a multi-week bounce if this really is a wave 4, yeah, which I'm unsure about. I mean, it's a pretty messy structure to the downside. I have to say the micro structures are not very clear. What I'm doing here with you, we are tracking currently what micro support would be if the low formed already in circle wave 3. So you have some parameters to watch, but really it's important that the bulls show up here and take the price higher in a C wave. So this would be, we take it level by level, right? If this really was an A wave and this here is a B wave, it's not entirely clear yet if the B wave bottomed. If it has bottomed, then we should see the market grind higher towards $267 over the coming sessions. It basically gives you a projection if wave B has already bottomed. So it's conditional logic, okay? Any break below $225 would indicate that the upside reversal attempt is likely failing, and we might see an extension of circle wave 3 to the downside. The next support level is located around $206, which means over the coming sessions, I'm watching if the bulls can find support here, because we had a 5-wave move up. So in the short term, it looks as if the market wants to go a little bit higher, at least to the next trend line, yeah, which is coming in currently around $264, and possibly towards the 100% extension target at $267. Please note, this upside target, this projection will change if the price forms another low. I'll keep you updated about any changes here. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our X channel and our membership. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.